So this obviously is a sulfur crystal, and this is just consisting of the element sulfur. And as you can see, it has this remarkable neon highlighter yellow color. And these crystals are really big and really chunky. And they have this very sophisticated kind of satiny luster that's not too shiny, but not too dull. And this particular specimen comes from Sicily in Italy. So most of the sulfurs you see on the market will be Bolivian or from South America, but the best pieces will always come from Italy. Let's make sure it stays on that base. So I'm gonna put that there and situate it nicely on top. There you go. Wow, that color pops, doesn't it?